he has to be released because he doesn't do anything wrong. So he's a good man, and that's the reason why he came to South Sudan, so that he can implement, so that people can live peacefully. He doesn't come to South Sudan to take advantage of anybody. So that's the reason why he signed peace agreement of 2018, okay? So now people are taking advantage of him and based it on lies and those things that are not right. So Dr. Riek Machar is innocent. The only best way to move forward is to release him and all those SPLM IO officials. That is the only best way that can bless the hearts of South Sudanese. The only best way forward to have peace in the country is to release Dr. Riek Machar. Let me tell you, for those who don't like Dr. Riek Machar, I had enough of you, and I'm not going to follow you, and I'm not going to listen to you, no matter what you say, because I have evidence. I love you, but I'm not going to support your nonsense, okay? If you are a Dinka that is supporting that government, if you are a Dinka or a Nuer that is supporting that government, get out of here. I do not support you. You are not making any sense. Okay? You cannot support anything that is destroying the dignity of the country. So, President Kiir himself, he's a good man overall, but he allowed himself to be misled. He allowed himself to be misled by bad leaders. That's why our country is bleeding. So therefore, he's part of the problem. He fed into it. Also, President Kiir made a mistake, bombing the Nuer. Okay, bombing the Nuer. 7 months ago, President Kiir was bombing Nuer, targeting them and bombing them from the sky. That's against the law. I never seen any president bombing civilians. Even United States, even United Kingdom, even Australia, even Western Africa. I never seen a president, even in Kenya, even in Uganda. I never see a president bombing his own people. It doesn't exist. Only South Sudan, President Kiir, bomb his own people. That is going to be remembered rest of the life, and it will be remembered from generation to generation. What Kiir Mayardit has done by bombing Nuer and targeting them will not be forgotten. It will be forgiven, but it will not be forgotten. So I do not support nonsense, okay? My way of life is not to destroy others. My way of life is to have sense of dignity for the other people, humankind, okay? So what had happened, Kiir Mayardit has bombed Nuer, okay, from the sky, from Nasir, Wulang, Logushuk, Pangak, Burabiay, you name it. He bombed them from the sky. That is a lack of integrity. That is jealousyness. That is not good. That's a dark spirit. That is heterism. You hit the tribe of Nuer so much that you bomb them from the sky. Like, are you the one who created them? You make a lot of mistakes. I do not support you, sir. I don't need your money. I don't need anything from you. Dr. Riek Machar came to Juba for a reason, to make sure that South Sudan is coming together. Dr. Riek Machar is not desperate about leadership. Dr. Riek Machar is the one that is doing the right thing. He's better than those leaders in Juba. He's well-informed, well-grounded. Dr. Riek Machar is the man we need. This is his time to lead the country. The country belongs to all of us. And this is the time for Dr. Riek Machar to lead. What's wrong with that? Why would you hold grudges against other people? You don't have sense of forgiveness. How can you be successful if you are holding grudges against your neighbors? If you don't forgive one another? Forgiveness is the key forward. Okay? So peace is with Dr. Riek Machar. If you need peace in South Sudan, peace has been given to Dr. Riek Machar by the Lord. That's true. Making a mistake again. I'm telling the government not to make a mistake again. We cannot go back to war. We need peace. Live peacefully with your neighbors. Leave alone all these SSPDF. Sending SSPDF to the Nuer land to do what? The Nuer people need unified forces. They don't need the useless, baseless SSPDF to come to the Nuer land to do what? You're failing. You will never be successful. So Nuer are right. The White Army were right. The war that happened this year was not caused by Dr. Riek Machar, was not caused by the White Army. It was the government. The government that does not have values. The government that go to Uganda and bring armed forces from Uganda to do what? Where are your army? And Dr. Riek Machar is right. He told you to graduate, to train all these unified armed forces. South Sudan need unified armed forces. They're coming from Dinka, from Nuer, from Chuluk, from Zandi, from Equatoria, from all South Sudan. So we cannot be targeted by tribalism. If you look at somebody sitting next to you, you see Chuluk sitting next to you. If you look at your right, you will see Equatorian. If you look at the left, you see Nuer. You see other tribe. That is the government we are looking for. Release Dr. Riek Machar, and that's the only way forward. There's no other way. Making mistake this time is another problem. We are watching. Okay? Dr. Riek Machar is innocent. He does not do anything wrong. And let me tell you, those tribalists outside there, whether you are a Dinka or a Nuer and you are supporting government of Salva Kiir Mayardit, I am not supporting you. Whether you like it or not, I am not supporting you. We are going separate ways. Because I do not support nonsense. A government that bomb people from the sky, why would I support it? It doesn't make any sense. And I'm telling the Nuerian government, you don't like Dr. Riek Machar so much. You want him to be arrested. You are not going to be successful. You are not going to be successful. It will not work. Because you are so jealousy, you need to be humble. There's no need of hating Dr. Riek Machar. What did he do wrong to you? What did he do to you? Dr. Riek Machar will be fine. And his release will bring peace to the country. And Dr. Riek Machar will be president of South Sudan. He does not do anything wrong. He's innocent. So I'm telling the government to do what is right. You are a failed government. And those who are supporting government also, you are failed individuals, all of you. You don't know what you are doing. You are tribalists. You don't have sense of integrity. You are supporting something that is destroying the country. The reason why you are happy with Kiir Mayardit and Bolomil, because he bombed the Nuer from the sky. That's the reason why you are supporting it. How can it be good when other people are dying, people are suffering, and people are being cluster bombed, and you are supporting that? Whom did you think you are? You, my uncle Dinkas, nobody bombed you from the sky. Nobody bombed you Dinkas from Warab, Northern Barkadal, and Lake State, and Jonglei. And you are not saying anything, and you bomb the Nuer from the sky as if they are your enemies. Whom did you think you are? Do you think the country belongs to you? Even though you are my uncles, I will not support you. I love you, but I will not support your nonsense. Truth must be told. Those who are supporting government, I don't support you. You will never be my friend. I don't care who you are. Whether you are a relative, whether you are a friend and you're supporting that government, I am not supporting you, my friend. I am not supporting you. I'm supporting SPLM-IO led by Dr. Riek Machar. You cannot destroy the life of other people. Nonsense. Bombing people from the sky, I never seen that. I never seen that in Africa. I never seen any president bombing any tribe from the sky. Why would you do that? Lack of compassion. You don't have lack of compassion for others. Love your neighbors as you love yourself. You don't need to do bad things to other people. That's not right. Nuer are going to win. And they are on the right side. If you are the one supporting government, stand on the left. If you are supporting SPLMIO, stand on the right. I do not support the government. I do not support the government. Come hell, come rains, I do not. That government must be destroyed completely. Those leaders, they are not good leaders. They need to go, all of them. Thank you guys for coming. That is a message. We are watching. My name is Jalbi Albapin. Whether you like me or you don't like me, I don't care because I know who I am. Whether you are against me and you don't like what I say, I don't care because I know who I am. I don't follow those who don't know what they're doing. I do not follow people who cares. I don't need to be good. Do not praise me. Oh, you are a good person. I do not need that. Only God Almighty is good. So that is my position. I don't care whether you like me or not. You like me, you are blessed. You don't like me, you are blessed. It doesn't matter. You have every right to disagree with me. You have every right not to like me. It's okay. It's fine with me. If you know me when I was in Kakuma, I had not changed, but I don't like it when other people are mistreated. You cannot bomb the Nuer from the sky and you think that we are not telling the truth. Your government in Juba is not right. It has to be destroyed. I do not support your government. If you are supporting that government, get out of my way. What are you saying? Ridiculous. What are you saying, Samuel? You are the one that, you guys are the one destroying the country because you are blind. You are talking about SSPDF. Useless. Samuel A. Makwir. I disagree with you. And I have evidence. And you cannot be successful. Useless. I don't support that. And you, Matut Benjamin, also. You are man in the dark. Okay? You are not trustworthy. I'm going to delete your message. And you know what? I'm going to block you. Because you are a negative energy. Dr. Yumasha Teng, I say so. He's going to be fine, my friend. He's going to be well. You have to be open-minded and see things right. This guy is called Samuel Makwir. I know you. What are you talking about? Useless. Your message doesn't make any sense. How do you know that they are being misled by their leaders? That's ridiculous. So you Matut, you need to get out of my way. I know you. You are the one who calling for millions of Dinkas to come to Nasir. You are not a good person. You are not a good person at all. And you, Samuel Makwir, I disagree with you. For right now. I do not support your nonsense. Tribalism is a problem. You are not doing anything right. Your mindset is to destroy the dignity of Nuer. You will never be successful. Right now, I will leave your message. I know you. This is Jalbi Albapin. I know you. So you cannot mistreat the Nuer, trying to kill them and bomb them from the sky, and you are supporting it with your government. That doesn't make any sense. A government that has failed. A government that doesn't have qualification of leadership. Your government, and including you, Samuel Makwir, what are you doing? Whom did you think you are? How can I know that you are a leader? How can I know that you are a man that has a vision? How can I know that you are trustworthy? How can I know? I do not support you with your government, and your government will fall apart. Your government will be destroyed, whether you like it or not, and Dr. Riek Machar will be fine. What are you going to do to him? Should anything happen to Dr. Riek Machar, forget about peace in the country. Samuel Makwir. Anything happened to Dr. Riek Machar, forget about peace in South Sudan forever. Do not do that. I do not support your government. Even the Lord Almighty doesn't support your government, Yamakwir. The Lord who created the universe, our Father, doesn't support your government. He's on my side. What are you talking about? And what are you going to do? You are supporting government because you are a Dinka. Your mindset is based on tribalism. Get rid of it. I do not support your government. I don't like it because it doesn't make any sense. A government who bomb the civilian from the sky. What kind of government is that? And you are supporting it. There you go. You come to the social media and write nonsense over here. My friend, those Dinka do not risk attacking the SSPDF one day like the way Nuer did, being misled by their leaders. What kind of leaders are you talking in Nuer? Nobody bomb you from the sky, so you don't know how difficult it is. You are supporting it. You are supporting the death of the Nuer. That's what you like. Your intention is to destroy the life of Nuer as if you were the one who created them. No, it will not happen. Be careful and do what is right. Who are you? Whom did you think you are? Just live peacefully with your neighbors. You are from a small tribe compared to Nuer. Nuer are your brothers and they are part of you. You are from a small tribe. What are you talking about? Just stay humble and live peacefully with your neighbors. Don't come here and bring nonsense here. Supporting your government, that doesn't make any sense. That is exactly what I'm talking about here, Samuel. And stop over there. Do not proceed. South Sudan agreed that the government is not doing well. That is exactly right. That's what I'm talking about. I don't care about the rest of the message you wrote down here. That is the message right there. That's a message right there. No, you are wrong. The word that happened and the reason why the White Army fight back, the White Army are wrong. The White Army are right. The government is the one that caused war in Nasser. It had nothing to do with White Army. White Army did very well. They are protecting their families. They are protecting their loved one. And you, the government, the one that caused the war this year. Nothing to do with Dr. Riek Machar. It has nothing to do with White Army. No. No. If Kir Mayadit was open-minded, this war would have not happened. Majority would have not been killed. Because of misunderstanding, miscomprehension, bad leadership. That's why you die today. It is your government that destroy everything. It is your government that destroy everything. The war that happened in Nasser is your government. You mess it up. And it's coming back to you. You will pay the consequences about it. You start it and you will end up with it. Accusing Dr. Riek Machar that he's the one that instigate. He's the one that caused war. Oh my Lord, have mercy. Accusing Dr. Riek Machar, the guy who's in Juba with you, targeting him and lying. Dr. Riek Machar came to Juba for peace. He doesn't come for war. If you need peace, release Dr. Riek Machar. Your government is a failed government. If I know something good about government, I would have not come to the live video. It's not a good government. If you are supporting the government, my friend, I am not standing with you. I am not. I don't need your money, okay? I'm not sure Ande. I'm from Nuer of Gawar. an open-minded individual who love all South Sudanese. The mindset of Dr. Riek Machar Teny, the mindset of Dr. John Garang, the mindset of Jalbi Albaping. I am not a tribalist. I just don't like it when people are mistreated. You cannot mistreat Nuer and you expect people to be quiet, bombing them from the sky. And also baseless information with no evidence. You're accusing Dr. Riek Machar Teny. He does this, he does that. It's not right. Yes, you're right. You're right, Nyawal. They never tell the truth. Or my uncle Dinkas, most of them, they don't want to tell the truth, except Lina Prek. You're right. Except Lina Prek. He's a good person. Their mindset is tribalism. That's what my uncle Dinkas are not honest. What they like is to destroy the kingpin of Nuer. They are so much tribalist. Samuel, being a tribalist is a negative energy. Take away, forget about it. It's not good for you. You are tribalist. You are the one destroying the country. You are not telling the truth, and you are not standing on the ground where we know you are a good person. We need to know who you are. Nuer are not tribalists. You, my uncle Dinka, you are tribalists. I know. You need to get rid of that spirit. You are tribalists. You love yourself, but you don't love other people. You want to control the country. You want that, like, you want to destroy Nuer. It will never happen. The only way forward is that we need peace in the country. Release Dr. Riek Machar Teny and all the rest of the SPLM-IO that has been detained. That is the only best choice you can make. Do not make a mistake. Tell your government not to make a mistake. Release Dr. Riek Machar Teny. That's the only way. If you need peace in the country, the peace that you are talking about all the time, you make me laugh. You guys are funny. You, my uncles, are funny. You come to the social media. Oh, we need peace. We need peace. Oh, wow, I don't understand. You are deceiving yourself while your friends and families are suffering. The Nuer are being bombed from the sky, and you're talking about useless peace. You think that you are the one who know what is right? Oh, my Lord. You don't tell the truth. As your mindset, all of you, I know you, it has to be dropped. Let it go. We are all one family. We are all South Sudanese. Dinka and Nuer, they are one family. We need a government of national unity. Okay? We need a government to work with SPLM-IO. We agree to disagree, that's fine. We need a government that will bring all South Sudanese together, not the government that is worshipping tribalism, not the government that's bombing civilians from the sky. We don't need war, Samuel. So we just have to come together, because what had happened is not right. Nuer cannot be bombed from the sky. If you look at it, go to Kenya, Uganda, all Africa, look at all continents. Do you ever seen a president that bombs civilians from the sky? I don't think so. So be well aware that the Nuer have been targeted this year, and they have been bombed from the sky. That's not right. Okay? Don't worry about the love of Nuer. The war that happened this year, it was started by the government. The government is the problem. The government is causing the war. It's nothing to do with SPLMIO. It's nothing to do with Dr. Yomachateng, to be honest with you, okay? You, my uncle Dinkas, do not support nonsense. Do not support anything. You need to be well informed. You need to look at the things. Don't support anything because because President Kiir is from your tribe. That's your dignity. You bomb the civilian from the sky. You bomb the Nuer from the sky. That's not, even the Lord Almighty does not support Kiir Mayardit. He just love him because God is love. God is love. He doesn't hold grudges against us. And that's the reason why Kiir Mayardit is still there, because God is love. He doesn't act like Jalbi al-Baping. God is love. God is trustworthy and faithful. Okay? He doesn't rush into conclusion. So he knows the time. He knows the time that he will remove Kiir Mayardit from power. That government is not legitimate. And bombing of civilian of Nuer must stop. Stop bombing Nuer civilian. The Lord put you there as a president of the country, not to bomb your own people. You have to be kind to one another. You have to be compassionate to one another. You have to treat other people the way you need to be treated. You, President Kiir, the Lord Almighty does not put you there as a president of South Sudan to hold grudges against these civilians. He put you there to make sure that each tribe deserves to live peacefully. But you are making a mistake. You are making your own choice. The choice that you bomb civilian of Nuer from the sky does not come from the Holy Spirit. It comes from tribalism. It comes from hatredism. Actually, the bombing of Nuer is hatredism. And there's nothing you can do with Dr. Yomachateng. We are supporting him. More than 3 million people are supporting him, including international government. So what are you going to do with Dr. Yomachateng? You get stuck. You cannot do anything. Making a mistake to harm Dr. Yomachateng, you want to do something silly. Oh, wow. Do not even think about it. I'm not a young man that supports nonsense. I support the truth, and I love Dinkas and Nuer and all people. I love all people. I love everybody because that's who I am. The Lord knows my heart. He knows my heart. He knows Jalbi al-Baping, that I love all people. But people cannot be bombed from the sky. You bombing the Nuer and displace them. Why? You bomb them in Pangak. Why? In Nasir. You're trying to destroy the Nuer. You brought armed forces from Uganda. You brought armed forces from Khartoum. You brought armed forces from East Africa, mostly. Abu Shok, Agwelek, you're fighting one tribe. You're fighting one tribe. Why? You will never be successful. And also you are forcing civilian. You want to disarm civilian. There's no peace in the country. Security arrangement is not there. Nobody protect the civilians. They are suffering. And your government trying to disarm civilian. Civilian who are fearing for their lives. How can you disarm civilian when you are not well organized? How can you disarm civilian when the country has no peace? That's not how it works. The only way forward is to work with Dr. Yomachateng. You can agree to disagree so that phase 2 can be trained. Okay? We need a national government, an army that involves Dinkas, Nuer, and other tribes, an army of national unity. That's the government we need. We don't need army from Warab, from Northern Barkadal, from Lake State. There are Dinkas or there are Nuer. No. We need a national government that is a unified forces mixed together. Dinkas and Nuer and Shuluk and Zandi and all other 64 tribes mixed together as one army. And then you can deploy them to the whole country. Not your SSPDF that consists of Dinkas. I do not support that government. And the Lord is on my side. The Lord is on my side because I support what is right. I do not support anything that's useless. My integrity cannot support anything that killed the Nuer from the sky. I don't like it. You don't know how difficult it is to bomb people from the sky. Nobody bomb you from Warab. Nobody bomb you from Northern Bargadal. Nobody bomb you from Lake State. And you bomb the Nuer from the sky. You are in trouble. You cannot, peace cannot come to the country. Even the Nuer who are supporting you in government, you never know what will happen. The Nuer that are supporting you in government, you are bombing their families. Do you think they like it? They don't like it. Paul Nang, this guy is not a good leader, including Chol Son Baluk. All of these leaders, I don't like them. We need peace in the country. Absolutely correct. We need peace in the country. I agree with that. But you cannot be against the authority of the SPLM-IO and you think that you will have peace in the country. No. This is the time for Dr. Riek Machar to lead the country. He's well informed. He's a good leader. If Dr. Riek Machar become president today, you will see celebration across the country. Gun will be silent. No more war. All Dinkas and Nuer will be happy and everybody, including Equatorians. Peace will be restored. And Dr. Riek Machar is not a tribalist. He will not surround himself with tribalists. He's a good man. God bless him. God Almighty bless Dr. Riek Machar and protect him from harms. I am very confident nothing will happen to him. We are not enemies. We are one family. We are each other. You are bombing Nuer from their villages for what reason? There's no need of sending SSPDF to Nasser to do what? Stay wherever you are. There's no need of causing problem. If you are in Warab, stay there. If you are in Northern Bargadal, stay there. If you are in Jonglei, stay there. If you are in Equatoria, stay there. What brought you to Upper Nile? So that is my message. I support Dr. Riek Machar under SPLM-IO. So Port Kang is a great man. What did Port Kang say? When you arrest Port Kang, what did you say? What did he say? Port Kang say that, you know what? Port Kang is a great man. He told you that I'm not going to denounce Dr. Riek Machar. Whether you kill me or what, do whatever you want to do. There you go. That's right. Stephen Parkwall, what happened to him? You talk to him and he's afraid of his life. He's a man that loves to eat, doesn't have sense of integrity. He wants to be first vice president after Dr. Machar. Nuer cannot support him. He's from my tribe. He's from Gawar. Stephen Parkwall. He failed. There's nobody support him. He doesn't have supporters. Dr. Riek Machar cannot be ignored. Without Dr. Riek Machar, there would have not been South Sudan today. We cannot have South Sudan today. The reason why we have a country because of Dr. Riek Machar. Look at my eye. That's where I stand. And I support the safety of civilians. Live peacefully with your neighbors. Do not attack anyone. And release Dr. Riek Machar. Do not ignore. Do not make a mistake. Do not do that. I am telling you the truth. That's your dignity. You bomb the civilian of Nuer from the sky using cluster bombs, and you are happy with it. Wow, what a life. South Sudanese. Is that how you're supposed to live? Worshipping tribalism? Hitting each other? No, that has to stop. Thank you guys for coming. Take it easy. Have a wonderful day. I do not support the government. It doesn't matter. I do not support that government. I don't like it at all. The Lord Almighty does not support the government. Our Father, who created all of us, does not support the government of Kir Mayadit. Do you understand? Wow. Thank you guys. Have a good day. It's really funny. Yeah, you're right, Nyawal Pal. They never tell the truth. They never tell the truth. That's who they are. They are tribal. They are tribalists. I don't like that. They are my uncle. Dinkas are my uncles. I love them. I love them. They are great people. They are really wonderful human beings. But I don't like it when they're supporting government that doesn't make any sense. So I don't like it when they're supporting government that destroying the lives of other people, that bombing the Nuer from the sky. I will not support you because you are my uncles. I am supporting the truth. When you do what's right, I will support you. I love both Dinkas and Nuer. I came from these communities. But I don't like it when Nuer are being mistreated. They will never forget. It's a true story that had happened, that Salva Kiir has bombed the civilian of Nuer in Nasir, Pangak, Lobuchuk, Burabiay. It's a historic event that will never be forgotten. Salva Kiir destroyed his own people. Salva Kiir bombed civilian of Nuer from the sky. March 4th, 2025. Salva Kiir bombed civilian, his own people. Salva Kiir brought armed forces from Uganda and bombed his own people of Nuer. The women, the children, the elderly, they are dying. They don't have food to eat. They're his own people. You will be judged for that. You are not going anywhere. This life here, you need to do what is right. You cannot continue to do what is bad, mistreating other people, and you get away with it. You cannot. It doesn't matter how much you have. The only wealthy person is somebody who treats other people right. Treat other human beings right. Do not mistreat others. We are all blessed and we are all equal. Whom did you think you are? The bombing of Nuer is not easy. And you are dealing with the most powerful tribe in South Sudan. You will have headache. And you will never have peace of mind if this problem is not resolved. If Dr. Riek Machar is not released, you will not have that peace in that country. I'm telling you the truth. The Nuer, you are dealing with them. My friend, stop that. And make sure that you come together with them. Be at peace with Nuer. Don't cause trouble. It's a problem. They're good people. You need to be mindful of your personalities. You need to be trustworthy and have sense of integrity for others. The war that happened this year is not Dr. Yamashateng. It's not White Army. White Army are there for self-defense. They did well. You cannot come to Nasser and take a wife that belongs to a Nuer family. You take the wife that belongs to a Nuer. As you take that wife become your wife. It's not your wife. And you think that you will be, what are you doing? Mistreating Nuer in Nasser for over 10 years. Life will make you humble. If you are mistreating other people, life will make you humble. Okay? You need to do what is right. We need to work together. All South Sudanese. Both government and SPLM-IO are not enemies. They need to work together, side by side. And I'm telling you, Makwilwe and Kwalmanyang, stop waking up at 8 a.m. in the morning and go and bother President Kiir. You are the one misleading the country. You are the one destroying everything. You are the one misleading President Kiir Mayardit. Every morning you go to his house and everything you say is anything against Nuer, is anything against the country. You are not hiding, my friend. You are not hiding. Your time will come. Stop all those nonsense. I'll be honest with you. I love you, but stop all those nonsense. You are the one behind the door. You are the one misleading President Kiir Mayardit. President Kiir who hails from Warab. He's well informed. He's a good man. But the reason why he messed up right now, he make mistake because of you guys. Because of you. The reason why there is a war in the country and the reason why the Nuer has been bombed from the sky is nothing to do with people from Warab. It's nothing to do with people in northern Barkadal. It's something to do with you. Tribalism. Young country elders. Misleading the country. The president himself. Why? Stop all those nonsense. That has to stop. It cannot continue. We cannot live like that. And you are hiding behind the door as if Nuer people don't know you. The Nuer know you. The Nuer from Low Nuer, the Burchar, and Gawar, and Unity State, they know who you are. Is that bad when we live peacefully? It's good, right? Now you are living peacefully with Low Nuer. It's a good thing. That's good. You need to continue to live peacefully. Stop all those nonsense and setting people up for failure. You cannot wake up every morning before President Kiir Mayardit has some tea and you go there and cause all this headache. We are dinkas. We are going to create Jenkal of elders. You are making no sense. I don't like it. I want to sit down with you, Kwalmanyang and Makwilwe, face to face, just in the eyes of the Lord. You cannot be successful. You cannot. Truth must be told. The safety of Nuer is the safety of Dinkas. The safety of all South Sudan. Kwalmanyang and Makwilwe, stop going to the president's office. Every morning, you are the one destroying the country based on tribalism. Kiir Mayardit is humble. I know he makes mistakes. I'm not happy with him. I don't like it because what President Kiir has done, bombing Nuer from the sky, I don't like that from him. I'll be honest with you. I don't like that. He allowed that to happen. He brought Bol Mill. And you, Kwalmanyang and Makwila, you are the one behind the door. Stop all these things here. If you want us to talk to the Nuer, I am a son of Nuer. I'm a child of Nuer. I know where to find Law Nuer. I know where to find Gawar. If you want us to live peacefully and do what is right, stop those meetings behind the door. And stop hating Nuer. They are your brothers and they are your sisters. You are lucky that I'm not a man that caused problem. Because I care for lives of human beings. I care for life of Dinkas and Nuer. I will never cause any problem. You're very lucky. You're very lucky to have a son like Jalbi Albaping. Because I will always speak the truth to Nuer. To protect you, to make sure that we are all living together. Because I trust in the Lord, I will never involve myself into something that will destroy the life of other people. I will never do that. So stop your nonsense and do what is right. There was a time that I talked to the Nuer elders from Law Nuer. And I told them that live peacefully with your neighbors. We don't need any hostilities. Live peacefully with Dinkas around you. No war. I know everything. I'm just being kind. If I brought up your name, pay attention. I'm very kind. I am a man of positive integrity under God Almighty. He knows my heart that I love South Sudanese equal. You cannot bomb civilian from the sky. You cannot target the Nuer from the sky. And you kick them out of their houses. And you expect me not to say anything. Tribalism will not allow you to be successful. You need to take it out. We need to live together peacefully without bombing anybody from the sky. For the first time in history, it's the President Kiir that bombed the civilian of Nuer this year. For millions of years, it doesn't happen before. If you go, how many continents? We have 7 continents. If you look at it, no president bomb his own people. It doesn't exist. Only happen from Kiir Mayardit from Warab. Kiir Mayardit who hail from Warab, bombing his own people. The Nuer this year, 2025, in the eyes of international government, he's the one that bombed the Nuer from the sky. It never happened anywhere. Wow, what a life. And you are supporting it. I do not support your government. I don't need your money. I need the safety of South Sudanese. That's all I need. I need Dinkas and Nuer and Equatorians and all South Sudanese to live peacefully. That is what I need. I cannot be sell out. You cannot buy me. You cannot buy me like Choranle. You cannot buy me like Dr. Yegai. I'm a very rare. I'm a Nuer that is different. I will never sell out my Nuer people because of money. I will not do that. I will never do that. To my Nuer, to my blood, to my father, I will never turn my back on my Nuer people because of money. I will never do that. I promise. I am not Tabanden guy. I will never turn my back on Nuer. From Unity State, across Upper Nile, and Jonglei. But I will never do anything that will harm other communities either. I'm a man of peace. Don't overlook at me. I'm a man of peace inside and out. I know what is right and what's wrong. No matter what I say here, I know who I am. Okay? I'm a man of peace. I do not support war. I'm a leader. I'm a leader blessed by the Lord. I'm a leader that will bring people together. Okay? I am not Paul Nang. I'm not Cholson Baluk. I am not. My name is Jalbiel Bapin from Gawar. I am not. My ancestors are not greedy. Gawar are wonderful people. I am a blood of Gawar. A well-informed young man from Gawar blood will not cause any problem to any community. Do not bomb my people. We will do it any way you want. If we will do it through education, I am educated also. I have friends here in the United States. Friends I know that are millionaires. Because the Lord brought me to... So I know I will protect the dignity of Nuer if they're being mistreated. But I will do good things to Dinkas too. I will do good things to Dinkas too. Because they are part of life. Because they are good human beings. The only thing I don't like is the leaders in Juba. I had no problem with Dinkas. My uncle Dinkas, I had no problem with you. I just don't like the leadership in Juba. The leadership has to be destroyed. I will do good things to you. I will welcome you. You are good people. But do not support that government. That doesn't make any sense. Do not support that government. That doesn't make sense. That's my problem. Because you are supporting the government. That doesn't make sense. The Nuer are doing the right thing. The Nuer are supporting your government. And the Nuer are supporting SPLMIO. They are not tribalists. And you, my uncle Dinkas, you are tribalists. You are supporting government that is killing the people. Why are you not supporting SPLMIO? That's my question. Why? Does it belong to Nuer? I don't think so. Because your mindset is not right. SPLMIO is for justice, for democracy. It is not for war. My last message to White Army. My last message to White Army, my brothers from White Army. You know I love you. We all love you. You fight the good fight. You are right. For self-defense, you protect your families, your loved one. You went well. Everything is good. You are right in everything. You do not have any problems. But my message to you, that keep your AK-47 to protect your loved one, for self-defense, to deny and defend. But this time is not time for war. My White Army, it's not a time for war. Please, kindly stop it. You have a bright future. You are blessed. You have a lot of good things happening in front of you. So this is not a time for war. Keep your guns because this government is not trustworthy. In case anything happens, you can defend yourself, but do not go to war. No fighting. And treat other people right. Treat your neighbors right. If there are Dinkas that are living with you, don't mistreat them. If they need food, give them food. Don't mistreat your neighbors. The Lord be with you, and everything will be all right. War is not the solution. War is not the solution. Okay, it destroys families, it destroys life. You will not have descendant. War is not the way forward. I know you are right, and I stand with you, but do not fight. Because you are fighting with armed forces from Uganda, from Agwelek, from Abushok, from Sudan, from everywhere, and you don't have weapons. The Lord be with you, and my message is that no more war. No more fighting. You're great young men. Your future is better than AK-47. Put down AK-47, keep it with yourself. Until South Sudan will have peace. And Dr. Riek Machar will disarm all tribes peacefully, not a disarmament of tribalism. And then you can give out your guns if you are safe and you're being protected, but not right now. War is not the solution. We cannot fight each other. That's not right. It's not safe. It's not right. But the government needs to stop nonsense. The government needs to stop nonsense. Do not bomb the Nuer and you expect them not to fight back. You bomb them from the sky and you expect them not to fight back. What happened in Nasir is you, the government. It's nothing to do with Dr. Yema Chateng. Nothing to do with White Army. It's you, the government, that caused the problem. You are the one fed into it. Don't lie. Keep your dignity and integrity alive. All international governments are watching. All eyes are on Juba. We are waiting for your judgment. Your judgment that doesn't make sense. You're accusing Dr. Yema Chateng and SPLMIO officials, all of them are Nuer. Why? Let them go. Release them. And you know what? Dr. Yema Chateng will be a president of South Sudan, whether you like it or not. And the time that he becomes president is the happiness of South Sudanese. And the gun will be silent. No more war. Thank you, guys. God bless you. Have a wonderful evening. My name is Jalbi Albapin. You can contact me. If you want to talk to me, call me. I will talk to you. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your kindness. May God bless you until next time. See each other again.